In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive for Business, a complete guide for 2025. Sharing files on OneDrive can seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little guidance, it's actually quite straightforward. Let's begin by navigating to OneDrive for Business. You'll want to log in using your work or school Microsoft 365 account to access your files. This login is crucial as it authenticates your credentials and ensures that you're accessing your organization's OneDrive environment. Once you're logged in and facing your file list, the next thing you'll do is select the specific file or folder you wish to share. There are a couple of ways you can do this. You can hover over the chosen item and simply check the box that appears, or if you prefer a more direct approach, you can right-click on the item and select Share from the context menu. Now that you've chosen the item to share, you'll need to set the appropriate permissions. In the sharing window that pops up, you have a few different options depending on how broadly you wish to share the file. If you're sharing within your organization, select People in your organization. This choice confines access to just your colleagues who are part of the same Microsoft 365 network. Alternatively, if you want to restrict access further, you can opt for Specific People, allowing only the individuals you designate to access the file. Finally, if your admin settings permit, anyone with the link can be chosen for public access. This is useful for sharing beyond your organization. Once you've decided on the audience for your file, you need to set the access level. You'll see an option to allow recipients to either edit or just view the document. Choose Can Edit if you want them to have the ability to make changes, or Can View to limit them to viewing only. After setting the permissions, it's time to distribute your file. You have two main options here. You can enter the email addresses of the people you wish to share the file with and add an optional message before hitting Send. Alternatively, you can click Copy Link to generate a shareable link that you can distribute manually. This link can then be shared through any medium you prefer, such as chat or email, providing flexibility in how you distribute access. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently share your files on OneDrive for Business, ensuring the right people have the access they need. Remember, understanding permissions is key to maintaining security and control over your files. So next time you're looking to share documents within your organization or beyond, you'll know exactly how to do it. Happy sharing!